Hey going, my name is Terence from Visual Focus Media, and today I'm going to be showing you how to schedule your Facebook posts in the Creator Studio. This is great for all you business owners or online businesses that need to create content throughout the week. You can set aside 1 hour for this task or even less, schedule all your posts for the week, and then you're done and you don't have to worry about it. Continue on doing what's important and is growing your business. So to find the Facebook Creator Studio, you need to go to your Facebook page or business page, and then you want to select under the top tabs here, videos, and there'll be a section on the right hand side here that says Visit Creator Studio. That's going to bring you to the home page, and there's going to be a section here that says Upload Video. Click that one. There'll be a section you can do single video, multiple video. We want to select multiple videos. After selecting multiple videos, it'll bring us to this page where if we click upload videos, it'll open up a directory and we want to navigate to the folder of our content. So I have 2 videos here that I want to bulk upload, and all I'm going to do is drag those 2 into this section here and they'll upload. Now, while your video is uploading, you can do a few things while they're uploading. So here I'm adding a description. You can update your title. You can add thumbnails. You can add tags. You can do all sorts of stuff here. Doing this all in sections and one by one saves you a ton of time, so you can get it all done on the one screen. The title of the video will just be what the video file was already named as. So if you want to change that, just click on the box and then you can add your custom title if you want to change whatever title you want for that video or that post. To add a custom thumbnail, you just want to click on the little arrow and navigate to the folder of all your thumbnails that you have for those videos. Click on that one and it'll just be added to your video. And if you click this Post To tab at the very top, it will select all the videos that you've uploaded, so you can check that you've got the right page selected. Now the Schedule Selected tab has a few different options. You can save it as a draft, post once per day. If we click on the Post Once Per Day tab, it will give us a time and day. This will be scheduling the very first post that you have in the list. Choose which one you want to start it at and then click Update. Once you've set up everything for all your videos, you want to select Save Changes. To view all your posts and schedule posts, you want to go to the Content Library tab. That will bring you to the section of all your posts, which are already published posts and the scheduled posts together. If you just want to see the scheduled posts, just click on the Scheduled tab up the top, and now you'll just see a list of all the posts that are scheduled. If you want to make some changes, you can click on the 3 little dots and click Edit Posts, and here it will bring you to a menu where you can change the title, the description, the thumbnails, and tags. If you want to change that scheduling options, you can go to the Publishing Options tab here, and here you can make any changes of scheduling days and times if you need to. Once your videos are finished processing, you'll see them in green saying scheduled, and you'll be able to check them in the all posts and also in the scheduled posts. I hope this quick little tutorial helped you guys out, and thank you very much for watching.